Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of attention-grabbing media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
One of the things that has helped me build my journey, my success, is not taking the opportunities present for granted. I refuse. When YouTube became a big deal, I jumped all over that. When social media advertising became a big deal, I jumped all over that. I just keep on figuring out, not creating opportunities, how to ride these opportunities that are being introduced by the world. Love it or hate it, this technology is here to stay. So why not figure out how to love it so we can use it for good? So this thing is moving very, very, very fast. So might as well start figuring out how to use it for your own benefit. A simple use case that I want to pass on to you is brainstorming. Brainstorming. What do you do every day? How can you do it better? How can you accomplish more? How can you find an opportunity? What do you think about this idea? Because it has so much data that a brainstorming session, just like I had right now, hands-free, driving back home in a 45-minute drive, will get you back home educated at a whole different level. So use this as a tool to improve your abilities, thereby improving your own worth. It's incredible. We all have access to the same tool. I did not develop a technology to show it up to date. I use the technology available today. All I did was then, obviously I'm super deep into this particular world, and that's the main thing. Understand that this is a tool that you're going to be able to carry with you at all times right now, immediately making you more valuable. Raise your hand if you would like to build a social media following, get a presence, have a YouTube channel. Okay, good. So what do we need? Channel name. What do we need? Description of the channel. Giving you all the basics. Channel keywords. These are basically the search terms that you want to make sure that you get ranked for. What else do you need? A banner artwork and a profile photo. You need content that you can post. Valuable content, because it's not going to just get spread by itself. It has to have some value. We're going to give you some tools for that. But even before that, we need to define our superpower. I talked about this in the past. It's very important that you fully understand what is your ability to impact the life of somebody else with your information. If you don't fully understand that, your content will not penetrate. What is the one thing that you're trying to create in somebody else's life? What is the one problem that you're trying to solve for them? The more niche that you get, generally, the faster you can penetrate the market, because there's people out there looking for solutions to their problems. So if you go really broad, like how to win in the game of life, you better be a superstar content creator that grabs attention, because it's too broad and too general, right? But if you go very specific on the subject of like how to save money on taxes, right? How to ensure that the government keeps as little as possible legally so you can keep more money in your pocket. Now you go very specific on a subject and you give people tools, and those are problems that you're solving for people, and that allows you to penetrate a market eventually. So you got to define that superpower. The more that you understand that superpower, the more that you will be able to create that effect systematically and effectively and consistently. Let's get the new ChatGPT 4.0 to help us define our superpower. So in this case, I'm going to give it a description of my superpower. And one of the things that you have to do is figure out exactly what is your superpower. In my case, I put a description on my history. Since 2012, I've been obsessed with marketing. First, I started helping my father grow his business through social media strategies, helped him generate millions of followers, billions of views, and a booming business year after year. I created a brand on Amazon. I sold it for a multi-million-dollar business that became a pretty big one. I obsessed with finding opportunities. With my marketing knowledge acquired from my own brands, I have worked with and helped brands from all types of niches: health, e-commerce, nonprofits, artists, business professionals, and others. Today, I'm still obsessed with finding and leveraging opportunities online to help business. Okay, good. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab this whole thing and we're going to do something with it. This is my superpower and I want to define it. So what I do is that I take this thing. This is a Google Doc right here. We're going to open up a new chat and we're going to stay in one chat. Very important thing to teach you guys. ChatGPT, OpenAI, has memory. It remembers your communications with it. It remembers its responses. So what you asked it 2 or 3 months ago, it still knows what the answers were, what the questions were, and so on. So the memory keeps on growing. And I'm going to go ahead and start with this thing right here, which is my description of my superpower. Unparalleled ability to identify and leverage digital opportunities to drive exponential growth and attention for business across diverse niches. On my YouTube channel, my purpose is to share actionable marketing strategies and insights that help entrepreneurs and business owners capture attention, engage audiences, and achieve sustainable growth. By drawing on my extensive experience in transforming business through innovative social media strategies and digital marketing tactics, I aim to empower others to unlock their potential and thrive in the digital landscape. So I went in there and I explained everything that I am, what my goals are, what my purpose is, and I had it defined very simply.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.